we are good. So our last night in Cebu, we're gonna go to the House of Lechon. So we're staying at the Golden Prince Hotel, and House of Lechon is literally just like, I don't know, 50 yards maybe, 100 yards at the, no, not even. Where is she? Where you at, hon?
They asked me if you were still vlogging.
Oh, okay. So yeah, we're gonna go to the House of Lechon. Rumor Control has it they have some pretty gosh darn good lechon here, so we're gonna go check it out. Oh, looks like we got a full house, huh? Probably for pretty good reason. Food is good here. That's what I hear. So there it is, guys. House of Lechon. Alright, meet you inside. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, look at that. Good evening. So anyways, here we are at the House of Lechon, and they do have inside and outside seating. I was saying they have inside and outside seating. It's a pretty nice looking place here. So far I can see the staff is pretty friendly, so hopefully the food is just as good, and we'll find out soon enough. Alright, hold on in a few and we'll pick it up.
We're going to remove this one.
Okay, so this is the next one up on the chopping board?
Yes. Nawala.
Oh yeah? Alright. Well, good. Here we are at the House of Lechon still, and she's giving me a little bit of a tour, I guess you might want to say. So that's pretty cool. So how many kilos is that one?
27.
27 total? Yeah, she's looking good. back at the table here. What do we got, hon? What is that?
Scallops.
Scallops?
And then crispy water spinach.
What is it?
Crispy water spinach.
Crispy spinach?
Yes, water spinach.
Water spinach, okay.
Thank you. And then this is the tiniest cold prawn that I saw here. I see here.
Oh yeah, that's rice, right?
This one is for 1 serving rice.
Nice,
See
look at that. They got a brand new lechon back there. They're gonna cut her up.
Lechon coming up.
So what do you think, hon?
This is the lechon that we ordered. The half,
Oh, yeah.
half kilo of lechon.
That's a half kilo?
Yes. So this is the House of Lechon.
Yeah, buddy.
We still have
It's looking really good
we
there.
still have calamari strips coming soon.
Calamari strips are coming soon, huh? Good. It looks delicious. Alright, let's dig in, babe.
We don't have dips for this one.
Huh? No dip? I don't usually do the skin. Oh yeah. We'll get it. I just want to say without having to shout too loud, this stuff is really good. So how you coming along there, babe? I had to shut the camera off earlier. I was getting a little excited. Didn't want to get too graphic. But yeah, this is good stuff. Here, check it out. We're killing this lechon. We're murdering that thing. It's really, really good. I tell you what, they say Cebu is known for its outstanding lechon, and this is proof right here. This is really good stuff. I just want to say, you know, the House of Lechon, if you're ever in Cebu, check it out, man. It's really, really good. They just brought me my calamari strips right here. I'm gonna go ahead and dig in on those. Mom's still working on those
Baked scallops.
baked scallops. And we're doing a number on the water spinach.
Yes, water spinach.
We're doing a number on that too. So yeah, we're moving right along. We're kicking some butt here.
Thank you for coming, Mom.
Thank you, sir. Yep.
See you tomorrow.
Yep.
Thank you for coming, Mom, sir. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
So there you have it, the House of Lechon. What'd you think, hon?
I'm so cold.
Oh man, all that food, we killed every bit of it. It was great. Well, here's the outdoor section right here. The outdoor dining area. But yeah, that was superb. I tell you what, if you're ever in town, check it out. I'm not really super huge on Lechon, but I tell you what, this place is a good place to go for it. If you don't care for Lechon all that much, still check it out if you get a chance. It's really, really good. So, I guess with that being said,
The House of Lechon.
House of Lechon, baby. All right, we'll talk to y'all again soon. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to go to the House of Lechon. Food is great, service is great, friendly staff, the atmosphere is superb. We even have a little dog that thinks the same thing, right? Yeah, buddy. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. All right. Later, guys. Talk to you later. Bye. Say bye, hon. Bye, hon. Bye.